going to start with today's live. What is this? So many options. At least 1 minute of shortcut is required to create shorts. Okay. Okay. So we'll discuss about today's interesting things. Let's wait for 2 minutes and then we will start with today's. But meanwhile, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section so I can take that. Mhm. ये चमक रहा है. Hmm. Okay, so today's topic is all about, again, very generalized, very discuss that why the vacancies are not coming for DBA now, right? Many of you might be thinking that they want to switch to the new company, but maybe you might have observed that there are not much vacancies are coming for DB as of now. So what is the challenge? That is what we are going to discuss in our today's live. But meanwhile, if you have anything, certain questions which are coming from your side, let me know. We can take that questions also. So we can discuss about that one also. Okay, we'll start. So meanwhile, we will discuss about that. Hmm? Do you have any questions, guys, on your side? Let me know. 1 minute. Let me do the setup. अरे किधर जा रहा भाई ये? अच्छा उल्टा हो गया क्या? 1 minute. Camera is this. Hmm. Okay, camera this side. Is clear? अरे भाई क्यों ऐसा करता है मेरे पास? सीधा रहना एक जगह पे. Mm-hmm. Hmm. Okay, now it's fine, right? Okay. Okay, so few things. So I see there I'm getting so many messages from my subscriber saying that as of now we are not able to see any vacancies are coming for the Oracle DBA, and everyone is panic, right? I'll tell you one thing that as of now there are no vacancies are coming not only for Oracle DBA, but the vacancies are not coming for any technology also. Any, like you take an example of data engineer, data analyst, or any technologies, as of now you are not able to see any vacancies there. Why it is happening? Because now it is a year end, almost we are in November month, and in December month there will be a Christmas, so you will not be able to see any vacancies normally in the year end. Usually, like, the Indian companies are getting the business from US only, and in US there will be a complete shutdown because of this Christmas. So you might have observed that most of the companies, they are also giving off to the companies, or there will be some, complete shutdown will be there, and most of the server will go for maintenance also. So in this time, the people will not prefer to hire new people. Now when the hiring will start, so what I am seeing, usually the hiring process will start from the new year. So from January, you will be able to see the new hirings, new people, new job openings will be there. So what my suggestion to all of you, as of now, you must focus on the skill set means you should definitely work on the skill set, like which will give you the more advanced things. Like let's take an example. If you are starting your career as a Oracle DBA, you should start learning about the Oracle rack environment, Oracle cloud infrastructure. You can start learning about the golden gate technologies or Exadata, ExaCC. If you are working as a PostgreSQL DBA, you should start learning about the cloud. Maybe you can take the example of AWS cloud. You can start learning about a different and very important technical skill set. Now in Oracle 26 AI has been released, right? So you should know about what all features are available in that. These are the things which play a very important role, and my suggestion will be you should be ready before the you should be ready before the when before the January. So don't waste your time here and there, okay? And don't get panic also. And if you are working with any IT company, as of now, don't put down the paper unless and until you have a good offers in your hand, okay? So be there only. So wherever you're working as of now, be the part of the same company. And once you get a lot of opportunities coming in the next year, then you can start looking for the next company. Someone is asking like data analyst के बारे में बताइए. Data analysis is also a skill set normally where you don't need to write down much coding. um, Whenever we are talking about the skill sets where the coding is not required, among that database administration is one of the important thing. Then the people are also playing with the data analyst also. If you want to start the career into the data analyst, you should have a knowledge about SQL, Python, then the visualization tools like Power BI. All these things are important. So again, okay, that's very important. As an Oracle DBA, how will be the future? Is there any scope or AI will replace DBA post? See, don't worry about the AI. AI is everywhere. Nothing will happen to the database job. That is my suggestion. The future is bright. Okay. Only the thing is you need to be upgraded yourself with the latest technologies. Like, first of all, you should know about the Oracle DBA. You should know about the high availability concept like rack and all. You should be aware about the OCI. And this AI is not going to replace the DBA jobs. Okay, don't worry about that. Nothing is going to be happen. Only the thing is you should be aware about the latest skill set. Start learning about the 26 AI also now. But I would suggest don't directly jump to the AI and all. Okay, first of all, your foundation should be strong, because if you know the core architecture of Oracle DBA, the same architecture you are going to use in is the same architecture you are going to play there also. Okay, so see, humans will be always there. Okay, it's just like you will have some repetitive kind of works, and that repetitive kind of work will be ignored. Okay, but again, like if any job is getting failed or where the logic is required, okay, the AI cannot do all these things. Yeah, they can give you some sort of suggestions, but it is not 100% work also. You take an example of chat gpt, right? Chat gpt makes our life easy, but any suggestion given by the chat gpt, is it working all the time? No, right? It is just like yeah, it is giving some hint. Okay, so you use that, that's no problem. But if someone is saying that okay, this technology will be replaced and all, nothing is going to happen. Yeah, what will get replaced? A kind of repetitive job. Let's just take an example of data entry and all. So these kind of jobs can be done very easily by the AI. But wherever the innovation is required, wherever you need to take the challenges, that things is not going to happen. Okay. If you are agree with me, please like. Okay. If you are agree with me, please like this and let me know what do you feel about it. Add a question sticker. Okay. So if you think that things which I am saying it is good, okay. DB means database administrator. Okay, it is a database administrator. The main role of database administrator is to manage the databases. The main of DBA is to take the backup of databases, to restore it, to check the performance of your Oracle database. Whenever you are using any applications like Amazon, Netflix, or even your mobile phone, everyone need a good performance, right? So that is the thing which will be taken care by the DBA. Okay, sir, I was preparing for the competitive exam, but there are scams and should delay in exam, but no. See, I have seen many people in my class where they tried for the MPSC, Miss Maharashtra Premier, like the state level exams and UPSC type of exams. Um, I somehow they are not able to crack, or maybe the exam schedule is not good, or maybe the results are taking too much of time. So these people are moving to the IT industry. I observe one thing, that those people who are coming from the MPSC or UPSC background, these people are very hardworking because they know how to study for a longer hours. So it just like, they just need a push, and I am there to help them out. Okay, so don't worry about that. Is it a good time to switch for Oracle DBA 4-year experience in Mumbai without any offer letter? I would not suggest anyone to put down the paper and directly go for the next company. See, now situation is not good. You take an example of TCS, right? Earlier, TCS was like a government company. But did you check with any TCS person now? They need to go 5 days in office. There is no work from home culture in TCS now. It is very strict. Even if you are making a small mistake, they will throw you out. So nothing is permanent. Okay, it's just like those people who are doing well, those people who are quite good with the latest technology, they are only will be the part of IT, or their role will be there in the IT industry for a longer time. Okay, so nothing is permanent. No private company is a government company now. Everyone is looking for skillful resources and those who can do a part. Funny Singh, hi sir, please start Oracle DBA classes in English, offline classes. I have contacted your team. They said only online classes will be provided in English. I need classroom training in English. I can take the I can take offline English class also. I don't mind. But it just like, normally in the offline, the people will be there from local locations. Like I'm from Pune, Maharashtra. So we will have a people coming from Pune. Normally, Pune people will prefer to have a classes when it is offline in normally in uh, Hindi or Marathi or mix English, right? Uh, uh, so that's the main challenge. But if you have a people, like let's say you are coming with few people, those who are looking for English batch offline, we can do that. Okay, but yeah, I need people who want in English in offline only. So if you are having some of your batchmate or any references who wish to do the English batch, call me. Okay, we will arrange for you. S- what is the next thing? uh, May I know how DBA role is changing in current situation? Should we need to up and learn other technologies? So DBA is good, okay. As I said earlier, also just having a knowledge about the DBA is not sufficient. See, one thing you guys need to understand, that all the banking sector will not go to the cloud also. Today also I was taking the podcast of one person who is working with the Citibank. When I discussed with him, I told him, like, I asked him like whether you are using any cloud. uh, so they are saying that no, we are not using any cloud, we are still on premises only. So especially the clients like SBI, Citibank, HSBC, or all the banking sector, they don't trust cloud. you know Again, like, it is like, you are giving your money to handle someone to some other house. So banking will be always on premises, don't worry about that. Yeah, as a DBA, I'm always saying that you should know about DBA fundamentals. You should know about high ability. You should know about the OCI, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. If it is possible, start learning about the AWS RDS also. Then start learning about the DevOps. See, depends on project to project. You need to upgrade yourself. You need to upskill yourself. Okay, but again, you need to start with the fundamentals only. That's very important. After RACDB course, you will provide a job assistant like you are providing for the student, those who did DBA as well as RAC in usage. Yeah, we do that. Okay. See, till the time you are not getting placed now, I'll be always there with you. Whenever you are going for an interview and if you get any questions related to the Oracle DBA, RAC DBA, or any other questions, send it to me. I will provide you the answer for it. That level of support we are providing. And in my support, I'm not the only one person. I have a complete setup of support team is there. So whenever you are facing any challenges on your laptop while doing the practice, we have a dedicated support team is there. They are going to take your control and they will going to fix the issues. Okay, so I am there, don't worry about that. You reach out to my team, and I will help you with the rack also. Okay, don't worry about that. In the rack also, I'm doing all the complete setup like real time only. I do the installation of Oracle rack on personal laptop, as well as we provide the lab setup, we provide the recordings, we have a dedicated support team is there, we provide the real time scenarios, everything will be explained practically. Okay, so I will take care of that, don't worry about that. For 3 years of experience, what knowledge preparation will be needed? Okay, so if you are working as a Oracle DBA with 3 years of experience, you should have a knowledge about Oracle Core DBA. You should have a knowledge about RAC DBA, RAC. You should have a knowledge about cloud OCI. That is more than enough. Yeah, but if you wish, you can also start learning about the Golden Gate, or I would suggest start learning about another database like Oracle. See, nowadays the combination of Oracle and PostgreSQL is very famous in the market, because Oracle is an enterprise database and PostgreSQL is an open source database. So combination of enterprise database plus open source database, this combination is very good. So that is the demand of the IT industry. So if you think that you want to, because see, nowadays people are not saying that you should have a knowledge about one database only. You should have a knowledge about multiple database. Okay, there were a time like you will have a separate team for PostgreSQL DB and separate team for Oracle DB. No, not like that now. There is a single team and you need to handle everyone. So that's something, you guys need to understand change. This is very important, guys. Okay, and this is a truth of IT industry. So be ready for that. What are the laptop requirement to install Oracle DBA? If you want to install the Oracle DBA in your personal laptop, you need to have minimum 8 GB RAM. If it is possible, try to increase it to 16 GB RAM, so that you can do the practice of Oracle rack also. And 120 GB of storage, that's more than enough. Any laptop with i5 configuration will be better, Intel 5. Okay, so that's more than enough. You guys are understanding, right? Can you please like this live video, guys? A very suggestion or environmental background for TCS CDS. Oh, very good suggestion. But I didn't get the question, yeah. Yeah, normally, like if you have a gap in your career, then see uh, whether you can go for as an experienced person. Okay, that's very important. Like if you think, see, if you are a fresher, see, pressure is having a struggle everywhere. Now we are providing the training on different technologies, like we have a training of data engineer, data analyst, and all those things also. Freshers are struggling everywhere, irrespective of any technology. Okay, so if you have a gap, I'm always saying, okay, if you have a gap, show experience. Okay, Is it good to join TCS now for CDSL client? I don't know about the client and all. Okay, TCS is if you're comparing the previous TCS and now TCS, huge difference. Okay, huge difference. If you have a project handy with you, you are not going on bench, then TCS is good. But if you are going on bench and you will be there on bench for 1 month, you will be straight away outside. Okay, and this is happening with all the companies nowadays. Okay, see, earlier there were a time, on the bench the people used to do a complete MBA also. The people used to do complete post graduation also on the bench itself. I have seen that part. Now every small thing is getting tracked. What time you are getting logged in, what time you are leaving, every small thing is getting tracked, guys. Okay, so very very interesting, very very dangerous actually. So अभी का time बहुत खतरनाक चल रहा है, so be ready for that. Okay. Sir, what about the OCA? How long 19C will be used in the market? There is a 23A, but we are not upgrade. What to do, sir? See, 19C support is available till 2032. Even in our training also, we are still talking about the Oracle 19C only. Why? Because there is a support available 2032. So if you are using Oracle 19C, you are lucky. There is no problem in that. The Oracle will release so many database version, but you don't need to worry about that. Okay. Again, I'm saying whether it is a 23 AI, 26 AI, 19C, irrespective of any version you have, the fundamentals are strong. It's the same only. The architecture is not going to be changed. Oh, it's all about the features only. And feature you can understand within 15 days or 8 days. Okay, that's not a big difference. Don't worry about that. So if you know Oracle 19C, you can easily understand Oracle 26A also. Okay. And if you don't understand, I'm there now. Why are you worried? Okay. We are there to help you out. So data science or say data engineer, which has more scope as a fresher. If you are going as a fresher to the data science, there are no much vacancies are available. If somebody is saying that data science does not require any coding, if somebody is saying that data science is very good for the fresher, absolutely fake. Even though if company is hiring you as a data scientist, you will not get a job of data scientist. If you want to understand about the data scientist, first of all, you should have some knowledge or some experience on data engineer, or at least in data analyst. Then and only then you will understand about the data science, because data science is a job which is very crucial, very important and very responsible job, so that is the reason I don't think so the fresher will get a job as a data scientist and all. So if some institute and all, they are giving you false promises about the data science is non-coding skill set and all bullshit, fake. What is the roadmap of Oracle DBA? If you want to start the career as a Oracle DBA, you should know about the SQL, you should know about the Linux, and then you can learn about the Oracle DBA. In Oracle DBA, you should know about the architecture of Oracle database, then how to take the backup, how to restore it, performance tuning, the disaster recovery concept like data guard, ASM, patching, upgradation, many things are there. But yeah, I would suggest start with SQL, then Linux, and then Oracle DBA. आप लोग को मजा आ रहा है ना? Are you guys enjoying these live sessions? Like, you find it useful, right, guys? Everyone, can you please like it and share it with your friends? One important thing that I want to tell you, actually, we are starting, because I'm very excited to tell you that I'm starting a new batch of Oracle DBA and PostgreSQL DBA. So if somebody is interested to join, or you want to understand about the Oracle DBA or PostgreSQL DBA, you guys can reach out to the Learnomate. We are giving a good discount on these two trainings. So reach out to the Learnomate, and I am there to show you everything practically. Okay. Okay, there is person saying like, I have 3 years of experience in the technical support. Can I mention it as a DB experience in the interview so that I can get L2 job? It's very good. If you're already working as in application support or any other job role, you can show that experience. You can show that experience as a Oracle DBA. Don't go into the DBA as a fresher. You will get very less package. Again, you will invest so much of time
Directly show your previous experience as a DB and shuru kar do. It's very simple, guys. DBA job is very simple. And if you don't know about the DBA, you guys can check out our YouTube channel. So many things I have explained. Okay, so many things. So I'm there to help you out. Okay, so many things I have explained. So many lectures are completely free of cost, and if you are looking for paid training, again along with me with my under guidance till the time you guys are getting placed, I'm there to help you out. Okay, so don't worry about that. I am always there to help you out. What is the next question? What IT job role is in demand? See, so many everything, so many jobs roles are there. Like data engineering is also good. It's all about like where are you comfortable? If you are comfortable with coding, then go with a data engineer. If you are not comfortable with coding, come to the database administration courses. Okay, so it's all about where are you comfortable. So tell about the placement at Learnomate in paid training. Can a fresher got get a job? See, Learnomate is all about we don't give anyone 100% job guarantee and all. I believe Learnomate is all about where you can get a very good training, real time job oriented training. But again, getting a job is not just in my hand. Okay, at the end you need to go for an interview, you need to crack the interview. That's very important. I'm not going to give you any false commitment that if you are coming to Learnomate we will give you 100% job and all. Nothing like that. Yeah, I can tell you that with my past experience so many people got placed under the Learnomate guidance, and we provide that level of training. Another important thing is we provide the support also. Till the time you guys are not getting placed, I am always there to help you out. Okay, that level of support, that level of guidance you will get it from my team. So it's not about just a technical part. We provide you process oriented HR related sessions. Wherever vacancies are there, we have a dedicated placement team is there. We will share the vacancies with you. But you guys need to also do the efforts. Okay, you guys also need to do the efforts. Okay. Uska, Sami, I have already given you answer. If you are having 3 years of experience in a technical support, you can show your experience. You can show your experience. Okay, you can show your experience as a Oracle DBA. Uh, I'm suitable for L2 position or not, and 90C enough nowadays to survive. Or 19C is more than enough. 19C is more than it. Just like you should know about the Oracle Rack, Data Guard, you should know about the OCI. So if you're comfortable with Oracle DBA, start learning about the Oracle Rack and OCI, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. Add these two skills in your resume, you will be good. Okay. If someone is having 7 years of experience, start learning about the Golden Gate also. Any migration tools like Golden Gate, you can use that. Start learning about a little bit about the cloud like AWS RDS, OCI, Golden Gate, as I said earlier, Rack. These are all things which are very important. Okay. I have 5 years of experience in the non-tech. Can I show experience in DBS? Yeah, you can see anyone who is having 5 years of experience. You can show your previous experience as a Oracle DBA, but don't show all your experience um, into the DBA. Show 3 years of experience as a Oracle DBA. Don't show everything. Okay, 3 years of experience as a Oracle DBA. That's more than enough. Rest of the things you can show as a non-tech only. Okay, because if you are going for complete 5 years of experience, they will ask you a lot of difficult question. It will be difficult to crack it. Okay, expectation will be high, so better you show 3 years of experience only. Does OEM is required for 2 years of experience? Yes, nowadays OEM is compulsory, and we do provide the trainings on OEM also. It is a part of our syllabus, Oracle DBA. If you want to understand about the OEM architecture, I have created a lot of videos on OEM architecture, which is posted on our YouTube channel. So you can go through that, and you guys can enjoy that. Can you please like this, guys? If you think that, can you please like this video? You guys are understanding now. You guys are like happy with this live, right? I like to come live every um, सैटरडे और संडे, बट क्या करे ना, टाइम ही नहीं मिलता सारा जब से ना। आज देखते हैं। ओके, what is your advice for freshers who don't have experience? Okay, see, for freshers I would suggest focus on architecture, focus on arm and backup, um, and you should keep trying. You should keep trying, I'm telling you. Getting a job as a fresher is not an easy job, guys. Okay, if someone is saying that there is no jobs available in the market for freshers, do you think that are you going to go back to your village and just stay there? Nothing, right? You need to keep trying. People are getting placed. Yeah, number of vacancies are less, but the people are getting placed, I'm telling you. You need to believe me. You need to go to the LinkedIn. You need to follow to the people who continuously sharing the post related to the Oracle DBA. Like, you guys can follow me, go to the LinkedIn and search with my name. You guys can follow me also. So all these things are very very important, guys. When someone HR is saying that okay, there are vacancies are available related to the Oracle DBA, just drop a message to her, na? Just drop a message to her. Just drop a message to her, and ask her like whether you have any vacancies. Start creating a connections on the LinkedIn as much as you can. Okay, as much as you can. Start creating connections on LinkedIn as much as you can, guys. That is something which is very important. See, हम लोग we are not that rich like someone will come for us and they will give you a job. Okay, we are a poor people. Okay, but creating a connection is also one skill set, guys. You need to create a connections. Okay, and this is very important. Here, getting a job into the IT industry is not just about the skills, it's all about the connections also. If you have good connections in the IT, there will be a one miracle. Someone will come and he will say that, okay, we have a vacancies available in our company. Do you like to give interview? So when someone is giving you that opportunity, you should be ready for that. If you are going and you are not able to provide the answer, then so that's what I'm saying. Okay, technically you should be skillful, you should be ready. Okay, my battery. 1 minute, guys. Let me sit here only because I got some. Arey Baba. My charger. Baba re Baba. 1 minute. My mobile is discharged. अच्छा, मैं नीचे ही बैठ गया, अभी क्या ही करे? दिख रहा है क्या? दिख रहा है ना आप लोग को? क्या करे? अरे यार, कुछ ज़्यादा ही नीचे हो गए. ठीक है, सही है ना? हाँ. I would like to join the course. Is there any offer for me, sir? The fees is, but I need some more discount. अरे बाबा, ठीक है, आप बात करो. हम देखते कुछ कर सकते हैं इसमें. ओके, विल सी व्हाट वी कैन डू. अरे यार, ये ना कोर्स भी ना. 1 minute. What is the charges? Okay. See, I'm telling you the level of training what we provide now, no one can give that. Okay. It's not about the training. I'm always get in touch with the person who is in our batch, always one to one. You imagine how much content we created on our YouTube channel, right? The similar way, you will see like very good things in the class, completely practical. So that's what I'm saying. Like don't think about some discount and all. Whatever amount of money you are spending on the training, na, this is just 1 month of salary. See, you are investing a money. Like people are investing the money on mobile phone. People are investing a money on multiple unnecessary stuffs, right? And there you are not getting any discount also. There is nothing wrong spending a money on the knowledge, because by this knowledge, if you are getting placed and you get selected somewhere, you imagine like whole family life will get changed, right? So होता क्या है पता है क्या? फैमिली में सिर्फ एक को जॉब लगना जरूरी है. If one person is getting a job, now the whole family is going to be changed. Okay. Maybe you are one of them, right? So तो वो है, वो सब वही खेल है. है कि नहीं? तो करे क्या? अरे हम तो जमीन से जुड़े हुए लोग हैं. Sir, I'm working in Bank of Baroda data center in OEM. I want OEM classes, sir. We do not have a complete OEM classes only. We provide the OEM classes along with the Oracle DBA only. So if you join our Oracle DBA, you will understand about the OEM also. मैं आप लोग को एक ही सजेशन देता हूँ. You guys are understanding Hindi, right? Little bit. कि पहला जॉब मिलना ना, राइट, पहला जॉब जो होता है ना, बड़ी सुनहरी चीज होती है बॉस. पहला जॉब मिलना बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है. और आपको जितने भी एफर्ट्स डालने हैं ना, वो सिर्फ पहले जॉब के लिए डालना है. एक बार अगर आपको पहला जॉब मिल गया है, तो दुनिया की कोई भी ताकत ना आपको आगे बढ़ने से रोक नहीं सकती. और जितनी ताकत पहले जॉब में लगती है ना, दूसरे जॉब में तो आप बोलोगे हल से चलते चलते आपको जॉब लग जाएगी. तो दिक्कतें आती है, परेशानी है, पैसा भी जाता है, बट वही है, वही स्ट्रगल है. एंड वी ऑल्सो डिड द सेम स्ट्रगल इन अवर लाइफ, राइट? And things will be normal, like, if you get the first job, don't think about the money, locations and all. If you are getting a job anywhere now, if you are getting a job anywhere means दुनिया के कोई भी कोपरे में अगर तुम लोग को डाल दिया ना, go there, do the job, learn in 6 months and come back to your location and get a double hike. DBA job means your package will be really good, it just like you need to push yourself. You need to push yourself. अब साला हमारे पास में सब कुछ मेहनत करेंगे और 20-25 साल जितने साल तक जिंदा है, तो करना पड़ता है बॉस. तब जाके इतना सुनहरा माहौल बनेगा कि नहीं, बनेगा कि नहीं. तो उसके लिए मेहनत करना पड़ता है. ओके. और मेरे को कोई ज्ञान देने की आदत नहीं है. मैं क्या करूं, मेरे को लगता है आप मेरे को सुनते हो, इसलिए मैं आप लोग को ज्ञान दे रहा. डू यू एग्री विथ मी और नॉट? राइट, you should agree with me. Okay, you do not have any other options. Hmm? Sir, hmm. Sir, I'm a SQL DBA having 3 years. सर ये फील्ड में ही आगे स्विच करूँ या कुछ और ट्राई करूँ फ्यूचर के लिए? इफ यू आर वर्किंग एज ए SQL DBA, yeah, that is your primary skill set. Start learning about the high availability concept in SQL DBA only. You can do one more thing, like you can start learning about one more database, which is an open source database. We call it as a PostgreSQL database. So keep two databases in your resume. Keep two database in your resume. That's a good options. Having a knowledge about one database, it's okay. There's no problem. But if you have a knowledge about two database now, the life will be jingalala. Okay. You are not able to hear me, guys. Can you hear me? Actually, my mobile is discharged, so I am little outside. Now, outside means I'm in hall actually. So I'm sitting here and my mobile is getting charged. Okay. फ्यूचर्स को, फ्यूचर का क्या, फ्यूचर के बारे में मत सोचो. फ्यूचर तो सबका ही ब्राइट है. फ्यूचर का टेंशन नहीं लेने का, अभी अभी का सोचो. And okay, so I think pretty much enough, right?
आई थिंक आई हैव गिवन यू इनफ नॉलेज टुडे. अरे यार इसको क्या ही करे, ये इधर उधर क्यों चला जाता है. Okay, so that's the one thing, guys. I thought, like, that's the one thing which I thought like to discuss with you. Again, as I said earlier, if you guys are interested to start your journey as a Oracle DBA, so we are starting a new batch of Oracle DBA and PostgreSQL DBA. You guys can reach out to us. I'm starting a new batch of PostgreSQL DBA. So reach out to my team. The numbers are available in the description of video, or you can check my website learnomate.org. There also you can reach out to me. Okay. So thank you so much for listening me. If I get the time, I'll connect tomorrow also, and we will discuss something interesting. Okay. Please share this with your friends, colleague, and everyone. And please like, subscribe, and share this channel with everyone. Because a lot of free contents are available here. Okay. So बढ़िया था आप लोगों से मिलने के लिए, एंड आई होप आप लोगों को अच्छा भी लगा आज मेरे से बात करते। अच्छा लगा कि नहीं लगा? अच्छा लगा ही होगा, क्या ही मैंने गलत क्या बोला, सब सही तो बोला है ना? हम्म। ठीक है। सो थैंक यू सो मच गाइस, बाय बाय।